Buongiorno. Hey, everyone. Hello. Is Chef Capalbo. And oh my God. Oh, this morning, way back, 8 hours ago, a long time ago, for making dinner is a long time ago. Someone said, "Blah! You're crazy, Otto. You're crazy. You don't know what you're missing. I mean, look at this. I want to show you this. Oh, that's hot. I just took it out of the crock pot. It's beef stew, homemade. Well, not homemade, but we went and bought the potatoes. They were in a can. As you can see, they're full round potatoes. And then there's the carrots. Oh, the carrots. Look at that. Oh, and then you can see the carrots, right? I don't want to spill it on my keyboard, but it's very good. And then, what kind of meat did we put in this?
It's beef.
What kind of beef, though? Top
Beef
sirloin?
chuck roast.
Chuck roast beef. Look at that. Dripping juices. It's so tender. I've just barely stabbed it. And it just went right into the meat. Look at that. Look. Oh, look. I'm going to show you again. It's too hot to bite right now. But look at that meat. Yum. Then you have my favorite is my mama used to put in there. I'm blocking the camera. I'm burning my hands off. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, so as I stated here, we ran out of onions, so we didn't put no onions in there, but I put onion powder. Shh, don't tell the mama. Don't tell the mamacita. No, the wife. Okay, she likes the onions, but we didn't have any. So, anyways, getting back to my mom, she used to make it. Of course, she didn't use a crock pot. She would make it on the stove, and it took all day because you had to sit there with the. You couldn't go out because you had to stand there and watch the flame because you don't want the house to burn down or nothing. Anyways, she'd have me snap each and every one of these. Mm. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's a little greasy. No, they're not greasy. But anyways, it's very good for you. And here I had the string beans. You had to snap them and pull out the strings. That's why they're called string beans, I think. But anyway, um, so the meat is very tender, especially for me. I'm missing teeth, and I still can eat it. What do you think about that?
Mm.
What do you think? Is it good?
I don't know. I haven't eaten it yet.
Oh, she hasn't tried it yet. You tried the meat. Anyways, one of the potatoes in the can was actually sliced potatoes. I actually put on there, and down below all these juices is the best part. You see, that right there is a piece of sourdough bread. Oh, I don't have a sourdough bowl to put it in, but I do have the part you guys call the butt end of the bread. Always big discussion. What is this piece for? Is it to hold all the bread together? No, it's to put into your beef stew. Mm, mm. Oh my goodness. Mm, there's so much flavor. We need to have cameraman here, but he got sick. He's got this sickness that you don't want to be around. I mean, you definitely catch it, and then you'd have to stay at home and isolate. Is no good. Sorry, cameraman. Hope you feel better so you can move on to your place to another state. We will miss you, of course, because you're my cameraman. I have to do it sitting down now with my camera. And but oh, I cannot talk no more. I must go. This is so delicious. Oh, I mean, and the bread in there with the carrots and the string beans and the meat. Mm. You know that movie with the guy? I don't remember his name. He got the curly hair, and he says, "God, I love beef stew." That's me. I love beef stew. Mm. Gonna fart later. Anyways, you know what to do. This is Magic Mitch Art's show. And what do you do on Magic Mitch Art's show? You know what to do. You hit that button down there. Right there. Right here. I don't know where it is. My camera's not showing me. It's right here somewhere. It'll come up just before the end of this video. So please watch it to the end. And then maybe I'll make a quick video of an empty bowl. Okay, you know what to do. Have a good night. Ciao.